Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix Android phone not booting past logo. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I woke up this morning and found that my Android phone was dead. I charged it for an hour and I didn't touch it. After charging, I turned on the phone normally to contact my friends and family, but it won't turn on. The Android phone won't boot past its logo. I am confused about this. Can anyone tell me why? If you can, please also tell me how to fix an Android phone that's stuck and won't boot past its logo. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When Android phone won't go past logo occurs, no need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix an Android phone will not boot past logo problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Low battery or unable to charge. The solution is to charge or change another charger. When you turn on your phone and find that Android phone won't load past logo, low battery may be the culprit. If you have charged your phone but still can't turn on the phone properly, you can try to change a charger to power the Android device. If your charger works, charge the Android phone to 100% and then try to turn on the Android device. If your Android phone not booting past logo problem persists, there may be a problem with the battery. Before heading to an official service center, try the solution below first. Cause 2. There is a temporary glitch that affects the device. The solution is to hard restart the phone. Android phones automatically store some data and files when running, so that they can be opened faster the next time you use a certain software. But when there are too many temporary data and files, there may be a temporary glitch that affects the operation of the device. The good news is that a forced restart can quickly solve the problem and save you from the trouble of this problem. The Android phone system will restart, which can fix the problem of Android phone will not go past logo, and the data is intact. We have listed the steps to force restart phones from common brands. If it does not cover your brand, please comment below and we will show you the detailed steps. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons, wait for your Android phone to boot up and hopefully it will boot up to the home screen. Cause 3. Other programs are affecting. The solution is to enter safe mode. This is another troubleshooting method to solve the Android phone won't turn on past logo. Safe mode is an advanced solution that can troubleshoot whether it is caused by a third-party application. In safe mode, your Android phone will only load original applications and settings, and will not run any third-party applications. If you are not sure whether this is the case for you, safe mode is one of the best ways to identify the problem. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to drain. Then, press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you see the logo screen. You will then see the recovery mode screen appear. From there, select the safe mode option. If all goes well, you will see the Android phone boot up with the words safe mode appearing in the bottom left corner of the screen. If not, let us know in the comments below. Now, if your Android phone is able to boot up to safe mode, then there must be something wrong with the app. Delete all the apps that you think are responsible for this problem and get out of the stuck startup screen on Android phone issue. Once done, press and hold the power button. Select restart and then restart in normal mode. Wait for a few seconds. Now, your Android phone should reboot and return to normal state. Cause 4. Received an attack or unknown problem. The solution is to reset the Android phone. If the Android phone won't get past logo problem persists after trying the above solutions, consider resetting the device to factory settings. This solution can restore your Android phone to its default settings, just like a new one. That is, it will delete all the data in your Android phone. However, if you have a backup, feel free to try it as it is an effective step to remove all software-related errors and restore the system. We'll show you how to do that. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to run out of power. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. The next step is to enter recovery mode. It helps you access the phone's system settings stably even when you're not working Android phone. This is an official troubleshooting mode so it's safe to try. Now, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the Power button to select it. Then, choose Yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the Power button and Volume Down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the Power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press Power button plus Volume Up button. Then, use Volume buttons and Power button to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the Power button and Volume Up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the Power button to select it. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Finally, wait for the phone to boot up and see if the Android phone can't get past the logo to turn on issue is fixed. Cuz 5. Hardware problem. The solution is to go to a repair center. The above methods can help you solve the Android phone can't move past the logo caused by software. If the Android phone problem is still not solved, you need to check the internal parts of the phone. If the internal parts of the phone are damaged, this may be the culprit of the problem. To solve this problem, contact your nearest official after-sales service center to see if they can help you. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone not booting up past logo, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.